Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Every week I comb through hundreds of DIY videos preparing projects for our weekly Maker Show, Make or Break. Along the way, I find some good ones and some great ones, and right now I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's Top 5 DIY Tool Organization. Number 5 is Darb Orvar. She made this flipping awesome shop cart for organizing all of her commonly used tools. She even made it mobile and with a work surface on top because let's be honest, no matter how much workspace you have, you could always use more. She starts off by making the carcass, then makes the doors. She used inset hinges, which gives this such a clean look. Then she builds and adds the drawers. I love this project and I really like that she uses these heavy-duty casters to make it easy to move around. Finally, she added dozens of little details to help hold hand tools and other fast grab items you may need. The final touch were these leather handles, and this was done. Number 4 is 1 Minute Workbench. Do you like the pegboard for organizing your tools? Well, if you do, please don't be mad at me. I hate the pegboard in our shop, and as soon as Rob lets me, I'm replacing it with something like this. Tommy thought the same thing and replaced his pegboard tool wall with a tool organization board that wouldn't make him want to pull his hair out every time he went for a tool. Using plywood for the wall mount and the little custom holders, he carefully planned out where every tool would go. Then he built the shelves, hooks, or arms that he needed to hold everything. Look at this. Every tool has a home. Shop built is number 3. Okay, first of all, if you have not watched any of Ryan's videos, you are truly missing out. He's one of the most determined people I have seen on YouTube. He shows you all of the hiccups and how he fixes them and is authentically entertaining, and I appreciate that. He used up some old garbage plywood that he did not hide that he hated, but he had it on hand, so he used it to build these shelves to store all of his tools, sandpaper, and whatever else you could find to fit into that space. He does a great job walking you through his process for this build, and the final result is an organizer's happy place. Regardless of all the bad plywood, thank you for sticking with it and making an awesome storage solution for your power tools. Brad from Fix This Build That is number 2. He had a store-bought storage unit that over time slowly just broke down. He liked some of the attributes of the store-bought cabinets, so he decided to make his own with some of those same features, but better. He made some shelves at half depth so that he could add shelves to the doors and they would still close flush. At every turn, this build is filled with storage on storage on storage. It's like the Mary Poppins bags of shop storage. I'm really excited about this build because he customized the cabinets based on their location being in a garage that also has cars in it. Because, you know, it's a garage. My husband and I are about to move into a house and we want to build a workshop in our garage, so this would be perfect. Coming in at number 1 is Ben Tardif. After spending a mountain of time building his workshop, he made the most of every square inch in that shop with the utmost organization. This little project just made me happy. He made a French cleat wall unit for his most commonly used tools. I didn't know this is how you were supposed to test if a French cleat was strong enough, but I'm glad I know now. Once he had all of his wall pieces mounted, it was time to move on to the holders. He built a box for caulking and then tested his theory and hung it on the wall. Yep, it stuck. Then he moved on to customizing holders for every tool he had for his grab and go wall. Some mounts were for one tool, others were for holding multiple. There are several little details that make this project functional to the max, so make sure you go check it out. Alright, do me a favor and like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to Belts and Boxes, please go do that now and be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any of our shows that come out during the week. You can catch me every Friday at 5 p.m. for the Week in Review with Rob, and every Saturday at 6 p.m. for our next episode of Make or Break. We'll see you then.